Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing where you'll meet people: realms, public servers, or Discord communities. Once chosen, make sure your profile, version, and privacy settings match the group. Mismatches block connections. You should also check mods and plugins because compatibility prevents crashes. Make a quick test join to confirm 5100 ms ping and voice chat readiness. If everything connects, send a short intro message and invite one person to a casual build or minigame. This begins actual social interaction. You now focus on being present and useful. Introduce yourself with time zone and typical play hours so others know when to expect you. Once done, join low-pressure activities, trading, collaborative farms, or shared builds to demonstrate reliability without dominating. Make sure to read and follow server rules. Rule followers earn trust fast. Use voice or text chat to coordinate, but don't overshare personal details. Over time, consistent polite actions convert casual teammates into friends who invite you to bigger projects. You wrap up by turning loose contacts into a stable group. Schedule repeat sessions, add trusted players to your realm, and create a group chat or channel for planning. Once done, assign roles: builder, farmer, explorer to avoid chaos and keep momentum. If someone drops out or can't join, troubleshoot quickly. Confirm Minecraft version, mod/plugin parity, firewall or NAT settings, and server whitelist status. Finally, stay patient. Momentum builds with steady, respectful play and clear communication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.